Hi guys, here is an important video for CA Inter September 2025 exams. Are there any changes in the syllabus? Are there any amendments that are applicable for September 2025 exams? Yes, is this the question you are having in mind? If that is the question, just look at this. Only GST in group 1 has few amendments, not major amendments that too. There are very few minor amendments for which ICAI has given a statutory update. Just go to ICAI website, very simple, BOS ICAI. You will find it here itself, Board of Studies ICAI website. You go and just open the study material, open intermediate English medium. You can see there is no statutory update issued for any subject, only for GST. You see here about taxation, only for GST here, that too they released only for GST. Few statutory updates are there, okay, which are made in Finance Act number 2 2024 plus Finance Act 2025. See, actually Finance Act 2025 will not apply now. It will be applicable from May 2026 examination onwards. Right now there are few amendments that were there, like for example, you see on 16th January 2025 there is some notification given, okay, regarding reverse charge. So this is not applicable for May 25, this is applicable for September 25. So anyhow, don't worry, our faculty Mohammed sir, your favorite faculty Mohammed sir, GST, he will give a detailed amendments video covering these updates which are applicable exclusively from September exams onwards, September, Jan 26 and of course May 26, all that. Further, you need to understand how system works, how the amendments, materials, ICAI, how exactly the ICAI works. System you need to understand. Remember, for every May, for example, May 25, September 25, Jan 26, for these three attempts put together, ICAI will release only one set of books. ICAI has released only one book set. Books set is only one for these three attempts. Any changes that are there in September, see, for example, in the ICAI website you found this, for example, you found all these books, right? These are the books of ICAI, right? These are the material PDFs, right? These are all directly applicable for May 2025. For September attempt in Jan 26, ICAI will give statutory update like this, PDFs. Except that there is no changes in the books or no changes in the syllabus, only these changes, whatever ICAI says, only those changes. Now, sir, what about the other subjects? Okay, fine, I understood regarding GST, ICAI has given a statutory update. What about the remaining subject? Paper 1 accounting, there are no amendments at all in paper 1 accounting because there is no dynamic chapter in that particular chapter, in that particular subject, accounting. All, see, only company law related portion, that too if some discussion like buyback, in that if any amendment is there, then only accounts will have an amendment. Right now there is no amendment in law. Even in paper 2 law, there were no any major amendments at all because ICAI has not yet given. Simple. If at all there are any major notifications and circulars that are given by Ministry of Corporate Affairs, if at all there are any significant notifications relevant to us, ICAI would have given a statutory update like GST. Coming to income tax, no changes at all. Whatever May 2025 attempt income tax you studied, right? Yes or no? Finance Act 2024 number 2, the same is applicable for September 25, the same is applicable even for Jan 26 attempt. So typically every one of you who ever wrote May 25 exams, whoever have studied for May 25 based on some syllabus, the same syllabus is applicable for September 25, the same syllabus is applicable for Jan 26. Any further changes and amendments, ICAI will give as a statutory update, which we are there to give you timely updates. Then group 2, there is no subject in group 2 which requires amendment because entire group 2 is completely a stagnant, in the sense it's not at all anywhere, nowhere in the group 2 legal points are covered. That too only in audit, items of financial statements chapter is there, inside that some schedule 3 discussion is there. If at all amendment is possible, there only it is possible. But right now, for September 25, no changes in group 2. For September 25, no changes in group 1. Even some of you who are planning for Jan attempt also, forget about it. No changes at all. Only GST statutory update is given. Few notifications were there, regarding which detailed explanation will be given by our faculty, Mohammed sir. Soon, very soon, we will upload amendments video on GST. That's it. So these are the amendments or syllabus changes for September and Jan 26 attempt. I hope you are clear. By the way, for Jan 26, no, ICAI might give separate notification. Separately they will give. So right now regarding Jan 26, there are no notification. Right now the notification is only for GST September 2025 exams. That's it. I hope you're clear. Yeah, all the very best.